Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about creating my first table in BigQuery and also upload my first data in dataset. So here first of all I just come here to navigation menu and here I click on BigQuery and here you can see it's the SQL workspace and here this one is I have created this project before and here I can create dataset and also create my first table. So before that I want to explore public data basis. Here you can see it's add data when I come and click on this, and here you can see I have many options, and the second one is explore public datasets. Here you can see we have different datasets here, and this one is Bitcoin cryptocurrency. You can see when I click on this, so after that another window will open and I can read the overview about this, and when I click on this you can see here it's the overview here, and also from here it's sample, and when I click here it navigates me back to SQL workspace, and you can see here when I click on this, and here you can see the whole information about this data set. So it's the first way like we can add data from public data sets. So another way, I just come here, I create my own data set first when I just click on this, and here create data sets. I click here and here it's the name of project ID. So if I have many projects, so I just come and change from here, and I want to write the name of dataset. For example, I just write here data1, and data location I can select any location where I live, and so it depends. So after that when I come here, click on this, you can see I have my first dataset, and now it's empty, so I have to create my table, my first table. I just click here and here you can see create table, and from here you can see the project name, this one, and the data set, and also I have to name my table. I just name it table1. So after that I have to import my data from source from anywhere, so I just click here, I come here to upload and here browse. Yes, and here you can see I have these files in my desktop, so I select this one, automobile data. So this one is CSV file. Open. Yes, you can see it's automatically changed to CSV file, and here you can see we have different options. You can see I have created my first table. As here when I come and click on this, you can see it's my first table. I have full information here. Now I can run my query. So I just come here and I can run new tab, and also I can run split tab, which will be here, and also I can run from here query. And okay, I'm going to run from here new tab. Yes, you can see here I can run my query here, and also you can see it's syntax error because I have to put here this. After when I type select, I have to put this strict here, and you can see here instead of this I can just type here price. I can extract just the price, just the price. Yes, so and run. You can see I just have the price here. So that's it about today. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.